Okay, so this is the lock here. So this is the deluxe one. And we're going to change it to the Pro LS. Let's check this side. So that's all fairly straightforward. So this should be a good swap over. Pro LS, same footprint, same everything. Alright. They do have different spindles. Let's get started. That's the other one. Some sort of ants living in there. Yep, ants. Lots of ants. Okay, bit of an ant nest in there. Ants. Sorry, fellas. Gonna have to relocate ya. Sorry. Alright, we're good there. Okay. Here's our outside. Let's do that bit first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws. Just looking now. So the line is at the top. So that would be the top there. Okay, so what's happening here? Looks like we're going to have to enlarge the hole. Yeah, we're going to have to enlarge the hole. It looks like it's touching on that side. Okay. I'm going to use the Christmas tree drill bits. It should be good enough. 4 to 20. Check that. Yep, it's nice and free. Okay, let's fit it. So not too high, not too low. Freely turning. Yep. Okay, that's good. Just check a key now. Key turns, that's good. Okay, so all the way to the left, all the way to the right, in the middle, that's good. This is our height gauge, how high we want it. There. Take my pencil. Bit of scratch. And my side cutters. Done. Okay, here's our new lock here. All the way left, all the way to the right, back in the middle. That's the right spot. Okay. Up, down, up, down, up, down, about there. Okay, quick test. Seems good. A few extra holes. Can't do much about them. Okay, that's that side fitted. So the long ones are for this, so I need all the other ones. Final touches. Okay, so these two are pretty much the same. Oh, not quite in the right spot. So if that's at the bottom, I want to give it a bit of room to move up. It's on the multi-lock key. Turn it anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Turn it clockwise. There we have it. So that is the lock latch, spelled L-O-K-K latch, Pro SL, made by D&D Technologies, fitted in place of the standard Deluxe that's not automatically locking, and we also converted this one to multi-lock, which is pretty cool since I'll have a security key on that. So that's the lock, that's the installation. Comes with 3 ants, a whole nest of them, and that's what it looks like. Okay, thanks for watching.